College One View Session Part. Hakane ka video ko mata ko bantip shapi ba ro ki ba page yakane ka video shpangane ka scholarship ka bre namta khna ka basong class 8 menta usnem hi ki ba yo ya ka sanpho percent sejrong ma ki ba yo ban apply namta kane ka scholarship ki ha ban yala ya ka exam but anda kila pass ka exam kin yo khat ar hajar shisnem south nem kin yo class 9 class 10 class 11 class 12 south nem kin yo kin yala exam anta class 8 then dak la pass ho class 9 kin yo ka scholarship class 9 class 10 class 11 class 12 tangba khaban penyo bai la da ka class 10 ki de benyo bai ya ka san percentage sejrong la da ka class 10 banyo biang ha class 11 12 ya kata khara jar sistem ki hab de banyo bai ya ka san percentage namta ki ST category ma SC ST category te yang ne penyunta namta kejing tip khamne habai de kane tra don napreng jong phi ikun gikti lane ki para jong phi ki bayo ya ka sanpho percentage ha ka class 7 te kila ban apply ya kane lada naleng ka school kim don jing tip ai te nagleng jong phiru phila ban penbiang ikot isla bat sa ong school ban pin submit lang ya kane ka scholarship mar bahab ya le exam habel exam te kinjit kumba arts pa live hoingut student te kinjit district wise kawi district ar hoingut kawi district ar hoingut ta don kipor ba ka is khas hil ka kham yo bun ki student mar ba don ki bam la ban yo ya ka code of mark ka ba kila bu te kin yo bun met ka is khas hil ka ba kham bun ki number of school and number of student ki ba yela te baro kin select bait arts pa live hoi kane ka de jong ka central scheme kane te pin yo khara jar sinam te ke jinon kam habe de kane te ka karteng jong kane ka scholarship ka de national means com merit scholarship NMMS examination for class 8 sepet bahanang ne kadur jong tip nam kane for the year 2025 class 9 pin yo class 9 to exam ta class 8 pin yo class 9 will be held on 9 November kin penlong khnai tarik November ka de sejan chabre to exam multiple choice MCQ to select 231 students state quota allotted by Ministry of Education New Delhi Gadena Post Central te injit kumba arts pa lai hoi tangba kinjit hi district wise na is ka sehil katangut na west ka sehil katangut na is janjia katangut kinya phia kumta hi manopor student currently studying in class 8 kibarang puli mentama class 8 in state government aided and local body school only te school ki bayo ma kita government aided but local body school only students should have scored at least 55% namta ki general namta ki SC ST kade 50% no marla relax no san that is 50% in class 7 promotion examination ha class 7 pan q class 8 pidi ben yo 50% even pass barok subject te pio ban apply namta kane scholarship ban ele exam students studying in Kendra Vidyalaya JNV residential school run by state run by central and state government and students studying in private school are not eligible kine ki myo ma KV ki JNV ki residential school kine private school kinam yo ban apply nam ta kane ga scholarship kinam yo ban ayela ta kane scholarship te bidan kam ban lai ka affidavit jong ka parental income ka de ban long hapo ka lailak san pojar sisnem jong kimi na jong pa shong api ka jong ai preteng the scholarship is provided to the students studying regular student in class 9 in government aided and local body school which should renew till class 12 hadu class 12 khar hajar sinem pinyo bai te phya apply online have renew online bai manus name tang ba phya yo bai la adap class 10 phya yo bai some percentage sejrong yang next selected candidate will be awarded 12,000 per annum matba sinem tenam ta kane ka exam ro kadon artli paper 1 paper 2 mental ability test math but scholastic aptitude test sat comprising of science social science and mathematics hab le ekane exam ko long khnai pultri question akawi ke paper te khnai pomak artli paper long sispa prapo te cut off kade life art percent kadon la cut off te bhaban penyo life art percent jong boro artli ki paper te ke cut don kam nam ta ban submit nam ta kane artli ki passport size school uniform ka report card jong class 7 man pin sija ba phio san percent ka shield tribe certificate bat ka parental income certificate ma kane ban penle affidavit ya ka income ka ba sistem jong phio katno ten pen pale affidavit namda ki lawyer ne kino ki yu kin beside le namta ka scholarship ya ban kam gine te kine bede bisa ka form kalau don lupa po ka ne ka website makeeducation.gov.in nga sabu description pihaban ya yang baka school marwa don kam kisan principal no head of school ban san ki don ki kawan san don ki kawan pendap dan lada untuk ki haman submit chapo SDSU nom taban yo academic card ki baro te ke exam ada mu te ka last date nam takane ka dai 27 September arjar psau arpunyo trik September arjar psau te lada phi kwa ban pen apply kun jong phi ki bala the pass ya class 7 ki yo 50% above te phila ban apply phila ban WD hero ka form na po kane ka website la don ki form apo kane ka website la ban WD te sa submit cha school non kam ka sign signature of the headmasters jong ka school non kam ka sign la ada bang tu bede sa pha submit ya ki hi siapo SDSU na siapo DSU nam ta kane te ndala de por ka jan exam kin sa pha ya ki admit card nam ta ban ile exam nda phila pass phi ban apply online bede te kan mau ban apply online non kam be ka adhar menta ban apply scholarship claim ka adhar pinam yo scholarship te lada phi claim pat le adhar bat pinam le hero te nai apply nam ta kane lada phi mut hi ban le te phi ban apply be nomor ba claim ka adhar number menta ban apply scholarship ya kinu scholarship bun kinam yo shu nomor habling be je ka adhar number bar ka account pat ke baro habling lut dam ta ko adhar number te claim adhar number pinam yo scholarship te bar apply ka adhar number phi ban kam la dam don apply no la dam ko apply te pinum yo ban tho e kane ka exam scholarship jong kane tenam ta ki detail ki ba ide ba kane pin yo be hapo official website nga sabu ro ka link hapo description angkane ka makeeducation.gov.in pila ban download hang tu ne kino hikai ne kino ru kila ban wat jing tip la kim yo notice hapo school te kila ban page at kila ban pha iki khana school ki jong ki ban tho e kane exam khamtam ki khana ki banano gandong ki ba duna kayo kakot te don kam ha banile nam ta kane exam etang ne ki jung tip kresbon